Ready for contestant number 4 from the University of South Dakota, the Rising Suns.
Search everywhere, but none can compare with my wild Irish rose, Irish rose. My wild Irish rose, the dearest flower that grows. And someday for my sake she may let me take the bloom from my wild Irish rose, my rose, the bloom from my wild Irish rose, wild Irish rose. Who told you I found somebody new? Tell me who told you that lie, that great big terrible lie. I'll tell you, not a word you heard was true. So cut out your crying, they're only lying. I'm in love with you, believe me, just to prove there is nobody new. I've got a scheme, a peach of a dream for two. Here's what we'll do. We can take a taxi to the jewelry store. We can meet a preacher about 3:45. And then when someone tells you I don't care anymore, just ask them who